Welcome to Careers 360. The National Testing Agency has started the CUET PG 2024 registration process on December 26, 2023 in online mode. Candidates can fill out the CUET PG Form 2024 by visiting the official website pgcuet.samarth.ac.in. Candidates must fill the CUET PG 2024 application form before the deadline January 24, 2024. The CUET PG 2024 exam is scheduled to be held from March 11 to March 28 in online mode. Watch the entire video to get a step-by-step guide on how to fill the CUET PG application form. Visit the official website pgcuet.samarth.ac.in. Click on the Register tab. Fill out the CUET PG registration form 2024 with all the required personal and academic details. After submitting all the essential information, click on the Submit tab. Candidates must verify all the details and click on the Submit and Send OTP to Mobile tab. The CUET PG 2024 application number and the OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number of the applicant. After registering successfully, candidates can enter the application number, password and security PIN. Then, click on Login window. Click on the application form link to fill up the application form. Enter all the personal details in the application form. Click on the Save tab to proceed to the next stage. In this stage, enter all the required educational details in the application form and click on the Save button. Now, the candidates can select up to 2 examination centers based on their preference and click on the Save button. Candidates must select their preferred university and program name in the given field and proceed to the next stage. Applicants must select the test paper subject selection in the given window and click on the Save window. Select and upload all the required documents. Click on the Proceed to Payment tab. Make the payment of CUET PG registration fee online by using net banking, UPI, credit or debit card. Then, click on the Submit tab. After submission, download the CUET PG application confirmation page for future use. For more details, click on the link in the description below.